In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GTIN in Google Merchant Center. Before we jump in, a quick note on what we're doing and why it matters. A GTIN is a global trade item number, the barcode number you'll see on product packaging. In the United States and Canada, it's usually a UPC. Internationally, it's often an EAN, and for books, it's an ISBN. Adding the correct GTN helps Google match your product to its catalog, improves ad performance, and clears those missing identifiers warnings you might see in diagnostics. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Merchant Center. From the results, click the official Google link to Merchant Center. Make sure you're on a secure Google domain to avoid third-party tools that look similar. Log in with the Google account that manages your Merchant Center. If you have access to multiple accounts, select the correct store once you're in. You'll land on the Merchant Center dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find Products and choose All Products. Give the page a moment to load your catalog. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar to find the specific product by name or SKU. Click the product title of the item you want to update. This opens the product details page, where you can see current attributes, issues, and any eligibility notes. Look for the Edit Product button and click it to enter editing mode. Scroll down to the section labeled Product Identifiers. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see the GTN field. Remember, GTIN is the numeric code from the barcode. Use the type that applies to your item, UPC, EAN, or ISBN. Enter digits only, no spaces or hyphens, and keep any leading zeros. Those zeros are part of the code, and dropping them can cause validation errors. Enter only one GTN per listing, and make sure it's the correct one for the specific variant you're editing, especially if the product comes in different sizes or colors. Don't invent or reuse numbers from other products. If you don't see the GTIN on the packaging, check the manufacturer's documentation or contact the brand owner for the exact code. Once the GTIN is in place, click Save. Merchant Center will reprocess the product. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on your account. You can monitor progress in the diagnostics section to confirm the identifier is recognized and that any previous warnings are resolved. That's it. You've added a GTIN in Google Merchant Center. For larger catalogs, you can apply the same update through your product feed. But for a quick, accurate fix, this method works perfectly.